What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Palantir stock, guys. So this thing looks like it is forming some change of the structure here. So let's do the technical analysis. Let's identify what type of plays that can be taken on this. And I don't have any play open on this, but I'm interested to open. So I'll talk about how I'm planning this trade and how I'm looking to execute it. So I'll talk you through my planning process here on Palantir. So with that, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I play no role, no part in that. I take guarantee of nothing. All right, so let's start off. So there are a couple of red lines here that you are seeing, which we have been using as previous potential supports of the structure and so forth. We don't need these anymore. Let's get rid of them. And also, I'm going to adjust a couple of things on my indicator. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. That's SwingBot. Here we go. Yeah, links to my tools are in the description below, guys, if you're interested to have access to those. All right, so where we are. Yeah, so guys, the price action very clearly right now, what it's showing us is a bit of a completion of head and shoulder pattern. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. And as I'm talking through it, I'm going to get rid of this thing here because we don't need that box there. So this head and shoulder, has it been confirmed? Well, yes, in my opinion, it's a confirmed, well, head and shoulder. There's one more level, which is the level of $22.92, but I'm not too worried about it. Just because the way this flush has come, I think this is already a head and shoulder confirmed and can continue lower. And until those, what levels can it go to? We'll talk about that in just a second. What I first want to show you is on the weekly interval, some structural changes already. So on the weekly interval, you can see the current rejection that we have is just around the previous resistance zone. So it's very important to note that. On weekly interval though, we are still, you can see, on an uptrend cycle. So here's the thing, in the technicals reading, this weekly interval, you still just have to take as a cool off, okay? And until where can that cool off may come, we'll talk about that. But yes, on intraday time frames, on swing time frame, this is already turning a little bit bearish. So yeah, so with that, let's actually go to the now daily interval. Okay, so we are below this 20 days moving average, and that's where we have been getting this cool off with the break of $24.19. That was one area of confirmation for at least intraday short play. And from here on, that potential downside, one of the levels you're watching is $21.86 because of the previous recent high, right? So you can expect some, reaction here. In my opinion, Palantir, if it wants to become bullish again, we have to see it first above $24.18, otherwise not. Otherwise, yeah, still a game to the downside. Now, I have to go to the hourly interval to talk more about it, actually. So here we are. Now, what is this short play? Well, technically, it already started. Intraday short was here, $24.33. It's a continuation to the downside plan. The play that I want to open on this is my zone of position. Now, since the move has already happened, I'll talk about the bottom line on this in just a second. But since the move has already happened, I'll try to go in on this on some rebounds because technically this is the zone of a move that has already started, which is the level of $24.31. Let's see if rebound comes. There is no guarantee that that rebound is going to come, but if that rebound comes, I would want to short into that rebound. That's why I have put this as a green zone, but I'm not going to go into this right away unless I see this rebound at least to maybe $23.82 or $23.46. If I miss this play, I miss this play. That's fine. There are a lot of other stocks as well, but yeah, this is where this has a room to continue to go lower. And we can, so yeah, the head and shoulder pattern is very prominent. Losing $22.94 will push it down to $21.87. That's still an intraday or intraday play or swing play as well. And then we have a room to $20.23. Yeah, so until there, I want to target the swing play. It's just a matter of time. How should I open this play, right? I will try to short it into the rebounds because the move has already happened. But yes, guys, Palantir is looking weak to me. It's not a break of structure again to the upside unless, at least where the price action is right now, unless it gets about $24.34. The price action will keep updating. These structural breaks to the upside will keep changing, as well as the price will keep making its move. But where the price action is right now, it's not bullish. It is still in the downtrend. Yeah, so let's take a look at 4 hours interval as well. Yeah, wherever I go, this is just a full-on picture of the head and shoulder, right? This is a complete picture of head and shoulder. So a very precise head and shoulder as well. You can see the rebounds on the shoulder has also been tested and failed with the double top on the shoulder as well, right? Shoulder. So that just confirms you the gravity of this sell-off, right? And again, like I'm just providing my read on this Palantir stock chart to you guys so that you can learn how to do the technicals on your own. Also, so let's go to the daily interval again. And so yeah, the reason I'm targeting this also $20.22 in this downtrend is for the reasons that we will have this, we might meet the 200 days moving average over here, right? Somewhere here. So this is definitely a play. You might see some reaction at 50 days moving average for sure, like some choppiness or zigzagginess. And I want to take that opportunity to reload into the short position. And I'll keep watching the price action. And if you want me to cover this daily with you guys, Palantir, just like my other stocks, guys, I need a lot of likes on this video so that I know you want me to cover Palantir updates daily. Otherwise, I'll just take my position just as how I'm talking about of how the price action will develop, and I'll not cover daily because I'll only cover on the weekend the updates because yeah, I need to know if you want me to cover Palantir with you guys as well. So I need likes if you want me to cover Palantir with you. So, but yeah, so I'm going to watch 50 days moving average, how it reacts around it, but mostly going to read the price action rebounds into the entry or into that zone. And yeah, and then looking to play this continuation to the downside move. Now, at the same time, I'm seeing this article here. I want to talk through it. Bullish chart signals. I'm not quite sure what they're talking about it because I'm not seeing any bullish chart signals here. So at least where the price action is right now. So let's read through it. Palantir Technologies, bearish sentiment, bullish chart signals. So, wow. While the overall sentiments remain significantly bearish for Palantir, the company remains undeterred. Its stock has surged almost 50% year to date and more than 200% over the previous years. Having spent the previous 2 months consolidating in a tight range after earnings, the stock is shaping up for a higher potential move. Guys, I don't get it. I don't get this thing. Like, this is a complete ludicrous article here. The bearish sentiment and bullish technical formations make for an interesting scenario. I'm speechless. I just showed you such a precise head and shoulder pattern, and I'm not seeing a bullish chart signals. I'm just not seeing bullish chart signals. I don't know where they are seeing bullish chart signals in that article. Right? No, definitely I'm saying that even this short position is developing, I'll still have the stop loss, which is break of structure. So this is only bullish if it breaks the structure of $24.25 to the upside on Monday or Tuesday. And that's why I have my stop loss there. Otherwise, I'm just sorry to say that I think, yeah, like that article is misleading. I'm not seeing any bullish I'm not seeing any bullish signal here in the technicals. It's a head and shoulder. You can go and read 101 trading books, anything. You can just run these things across hundreds of charts over the course of history, and you will learn why this head and shoulder pattern is a bearish signal pattern, because the data proves it. So I'm not quite sure where the article is coming from. So I'm just gonna disregard that article And yeah, I'm just gonna, continue to play this to the downside. So yep, guys, I'll cover the updates with you as how this thing develops. If you want me to cover these updates with you, you need to let me know by hitting the likes on this video and sharing this video with your friends and your colleagues, your family members, whoever likes to trade. That will tell me that you want me to cover Palantir with you guys. So okay, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, guys. Bye.